Alrighty, guys, real quick. Y'all saw that shorts video? At least I hope you did. Well, I got the Invention back in here, guys. Now I'm getting ready to fix this horn. This horn shorts out and it don't blow at all. Okay, in some cases, you can squeeze this damn thing. If y'all don't know what this is a TIPM. TIPM stands for Totally Integrated Power Module. Okay, it is essentially a module. It got rid of a lot of other modules. Okay, they just combine all those other module functions into one unit. Now this looks like your typical fuse box, but it's not, guys. Okay, in fact, what you don't see or what you won't have on a car like this, uh, like I say, this is an '08 Avenger. You won't have relays like starter relay, fuel pump relay. Yeah, those are integral to the circuit board of this computer, of this TIPM. All right, so there's not even a horn relay. So if your horn don't work and you have a setup like this, you may eventually need a TIPM. All right, now I want to duplicate the concern with you guys first. It's hard to do. Sometimes you can just squeeze this. Now when you press the horn, it don't blow. So let me do it this way. I'm gonna activate the alarm. I can see the alarm activating. Usually when the alarm activating, your horn should be blowing, right? Unless you cut that feature off. So let's assume the horn blowing, supposed to be blowing. Remember, the signal from the steering column goes to here. Let's do this. Yeah. Yeah. So oh, shut up. She said stick sometime and everything. So I'm going to turn this off. Now that we got it duplicated, all right, you may, now TIPM is a module that's on the topology. So if your scan tool will allow you to read it, go for it. All right. So y'all going to have to come back and watch the video. I can't go back and forth like that. What I'm about to do is actually replace it, guys. And look what I got. Oh my goodness. Yes, I know. Joe Smo, what's up, man? Tired of work to death. Oh, look, it's going off on its own. I'm gonna get through this little 10 minutes, hopefully no more than 10-minute live stream. That's it, guys. Yeah, I know it sucks. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna give him a chance. All right. Now I don't like Derman stuff, but now mind you, this TIPM is discontinued. Okay, so Mopar don't sell it anymore. I was gonna say Mopar don't make it, but you know I don't think they ever made it. But they don't provide it anymore. How about that? All right, so we left with freaking. Every time I see this, I get, oh my goodness, I don't know. I don't even want to show it. Yes, Derman, guys. So what I'm about to do is now I want to verify a couple of things. Make sure fuses are in the right slots. That's missing. That's missing. Blah 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 blah. Okay, everything looks in order. Guys, no big deal. I'm basically gonna swap this out for this, or swap this out for this. Yeah, and then my horn should work as function. Now, guys, before you go to messing around with anything, modules, electronics, things like that, y'all know the drill. We gotta unhook the battery, right? Now, but the unique thing about this car, you can't see the freaking battery. You know why? Because it's in here, under this wheel well. You basically may have to remove the tire. No, 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 no. We're not going to do all that. I'm JT, the freaking car guy. That's got to be a way. Some cases you can see it straight down there. I'm not going to even go that route. Y'all know what I'm going to do? Take away the ground. All right, this ground cable going directly to that battery. So what I tend to do is, if you take away the ground, technically there's no electricity going to the car anymore. All right, this is not a EV. All right, yeah, you have to unhook a lot of stuff dealing with EV. So get this off. Now you shouldn't have, see that spark, you shouldn't have no more I'm gonna go a step further. I'm gonna take this other one off. All right, some of y'all may not be convinced. Yeah, double coverage. There's absolutely no electricity going through this car at all. We don't want even touching none of that. All right, now let's get this TIPM out. Okay, I need both of my hands. It's fairly easy, guys. All right, just in case if you've never done one, you get to watch me do one. All right, we're fixing a horn. This is an expensive way to fix. Some of you may argue that it was dumb for Chrysler to do that or what have you. You may have a point. All right, but however, it's done, and it's too late to whine about it. Okay, so my job here is to simply fix it. And the way I'm gonna fix it is troubleshoot it first and then diagnose it. Come on, babe. Work with me. Alright, we gotta get the main. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see some things, but y'all get the point, okay? Because when you go to replace one, you will know exactly what to do. Alright? And I don't want this video to be long. So, I'm gonna hurry. Now, if they don't want a core back, guys, we can go inside this TIPM and look around. In fact, do they want a core back? I don't know. But we're gonna go inside this TIPM, look at the circuit board. I'm gonna pull up the wiring diagram. We're gonna see if we can you know, find out which terminal go where, and if it's burnt, that's exactly what happened. Okay. Yeah. Now another guy in the comment section saying the connectors could be, and he got a point. He's right. The connectors could be you know, acting up, but yeah, I've seen this too many times. Mopar, that's your Mopar part number if you happen. Now, will a used one work? I get asked that a lot. Absolutely. You're gonna get a used one, make sure you get one off the same car with the same features, with the same part number. Alright, yes. In my opinion, that matters. Alright, let's get this new one on. Da-da-da-da. Damn, Derman, you gotta give me all of this? It's not this serious. Freaking Derman? Derman? Oh my goodness. Let's get this bad boy on and see if we fix it. Like I say, guys, fairly easy to put on, so don't, you know what I'm saying, if you got common sense, you should be able to pull this off. Well, that might be a little harsh. If you got, you know what I'm saying, you know where I'm going with this. Alright, why am I missing connectors? JT, stay focused, baby. It's like a puzzle, guys. Alright, yeah, that go there. That go there. Let's find out. Hey, we got a winner. Hey, oh, no. Hey, it's like a freaking puzzle. There's only one place this can go. Your setup is like idiot proof. You can't get it wrong. Now, will I have to program this? Flash it? You know the word y'all like to use. Do we gotta flash it? No, you don't have to flash no. You do, or you should, however, configure it. Flashing and reconfiguring are two different things. Alright, please keep that in mind, people. I'm trying to get the big connect on here now. Where's my socket I had? I'm installing a TIPM, totally integrated power module. Now, some may ask why. Simply because freaking horn don't work. Yeah, now, what does the horn have to do with the fuse box? Some of y'all still calling this a fuse box. That's because it looked like a fuse box. It is your typical generic, well, that's what your typical generic fuse box just house fuses. Alright, this one, my friend, is a module. Now we're gonna go toot the horn and see if it blows. Ladies and gentlemen, I fixed it. So now, guys, when I do the alarm, let's see something. Hey. All right. Let me see. Oh no, guys, look. They want the old one back. You know why? So they can fix it. All right. I'm out. I gotta go. Thanks for watching, y'all.